What are the penalties for a felon found in possession of a gun?
Hello, viewers. Today, we'll be diving into an important legal subject, the penalties for a felon found in possession of a gun. The U.S. federal law is stringent about this, with severe punishments in place for those found guilty. This is crucial information for everyone to understand, as it informs our understanding of the justice system and the seriousness of violating firearm laws.
What does the law say?
Under the United States federal law, specifically the Gun Control Act of 1968, it's illegal for certain individuals, including felons, to possess firearms. After a person is convicted of a felony, their right to own or possess a gun is forfeited.
What are the penalties for violating this law?
If a felon is found in possession of a firearm, they face severe penalties. According to Title 18, United States Code, Section 922, G1, it's unlawful for a person who has been convicted of a crime punishable by imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year to possess a firearm. Violation of this law typically leads to a felony charge, which is punishable by up to 10 years in prison. If the felon has 3 or more prior convictions for a violent felony or serious drug offense, the Armed Career Criminal Act increases the punishment to a mandatory minimum of 15 years to life imprisonment.
Can the right to own a firearm be restored?
This is a complex issue and it depends largely on the state's laws. Some states allow felons to apply for the restoration of their firearm rights. However, even if a state restores a felon's firearm rights, federal law may still prohibit firearm possession by that person. It's advisable to seek the advice of a legal professional to understand the possibilities and requirements of this process. In conclusion, it's vital to understand that as per federal law, possession of a firearm by a felon can lead to severe penalties, including substantial prison sentences. While some states provide pathways for rights restoration, these are not guaranteed and may not override federal law. It's essential to respect these laws to maintain public safety and order. Stay informed, stay safe. Thanks for watching.